Another item that I think probably has an 18650 in it. It is a USB charger, cell phone charger. So it has input 5 volts, 500 milliamps, output 5 volts, 1 amp. Capacity is 2200 milliamp hours. That's what's leading me to believe that this probably has an 18650 in it. And it's around the proper size for it. So I'm going to rip this apart, see if I can salvage the cell out of it, as this is just not something that I use. So I had some of these sitting around, so we'll see what's inside of it. Rip the sticker off. You can see it's got little screws there. So I'll pop those screws out. See what we have. Once I rip this apart, the charger, it has the little USB charging circuit, some plastic pieces, and then 18650 cell in it. That still should be in good shape because it was hardly ever used. I'm going to add that to my pile of salvage cells. See how I can use it with my larger battery pack I'm putting together. So there's also some battery powered drills and saws and such. Then these 18650 cells get used in a lot of applications. So I'm going to be looking around for those. Also going to check around at some of the local recycling centers. See if they either give or possibly sell laptop batteries or things like that. Sometimes they'll sell them by the pound. So we'll see what I can salvage and reuse instead of them going off to a landfill or somewhere else. So I found that was interesting. So your little cell phone chargers, and big ones as well, probably have the 18650s in them. So something to look for when you're on the hunt for salvage cells.